the Movers!
I'm Vic.
I'm Declan. And I'm Josh.
Welcome to your dance class. We are going to have so much fun today. So make sure that you have lots of space, you're not going to touch anyone or anything, and that you've got some comfy clothes and that you're ready to go.
Let's do some dancing moves. But first, let's warm up with some stretching. Pizza stretch. Everyone, place your legs like Victoria out to the side and imagine you're a piece of pizza. Now reach over and grab that piece of pizza from your toes. And what about the other side? Can you reach that pizza too? Let's try both feet at the same time. Did you do it? Let's try again. Reach over to your toes. And the other side to your other toes. And let's do both feet at the same time. Well done. Let's give it one more go. Over to your toes. And touching your other toes. And both feet at the same time. Oh, now I feel like some pizza. Cobra stretch. Cobra stretching with Josh. On your bellies and put your hands to your sides like Josh. Ready to push up and become cobras? And Cobra! And down. Great job. Let's go again. Hands to your side and ready to push up. 1, 2, 3. Cobras! And rest. That's not easy, well done. Let's go again. Hands to your side. 1, 2, 3. Cobras! And rest. Let's become flying cobras this time. Hands in the air, ready? 1, 2, 3. Flying cobras! Whooshing in the air. Oh, well done. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flying cobras! Cobra Airlines! Great job. Bend and stretch. Let's follow Victoria, but not that lazy cat. Going low, 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 stretching right up to the sky. Low, 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 and right up to the sky. Low, 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 and right up to the sky. And low, 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 and right up to the sky. How low can you go? And up to the sky. And low, 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 and up to the sky. And low, 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 and up to the sky. Oh, and look, our Kiwi friends are here to help. Let's go fast. Okay, and bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. And low and high. Low and high. And short and tall. Short and tall. Low and high. Low and high. And bend and stretch. Bend and stretch.
Let's do some circle time stretches together. Stretch our bodies. Let's go!
Let's do some stretches with Victoria. Can you make your legs into train tracks like this? Can you point your toes? And jellyfish shake your legs. And point your toes. And jellyfish shake your legs. Point your toes. And jellyfish shake your legs. Oh no, here come the ants. Arms up. and get those ants off your toes. Arms up and get those ants off your toes. Arms up and get all those ants off your toes. Very good. Miss Victoria, did you bring your magical glue with you? Very good. We all need some glue to glue our feet together to make beautiful butterfly wings. Make sure you have a lot. Can you flap your butterfly wings with us? Where should we fly to? Can you put your nose to your toes? Try it. Did you do it? Let's go again. Go. What about that time? One more time. Go. Let's chop those feet apart. And it's time to get on our bellies to do our COBRA stretch. On your bellies, arms out to the side, and we're gonna push up. Ready? Go! Up like cobras, and rest. Up like cobras, and rest. And up like cobras, and hold, and rest. Well done, everybody. See you later.
Do you want to learn some fun new dance skills together? Let's go.
Tiptoes. Hi, Declan. Oh, hi, Declan. Oh, are we walking on our tiptoes? Okay, everybody up on your tiptoes, stretching right up to the sky, and let's all walk on our tiptoes together. Do you feel tall like a giraffe? Can you touch the sun and the clouds? Tiptoe, tiptoe. Try bigger steps now on your tiptoes. Do you feel like you're floating? Stop and go. Ready to play stop and go with us? Keep moving until you hear crisscross, then sit down quickly with crisscross legs. Let's go. Everybody marching. Get those knees nice and high. March, march, march. Crisscross, sitting down. Great job, guys. Phew. Let's do some more marching. Swinging those arms, knees nice and high. March, march, march. Crisscross. Good job. Everybody up. More marching. March, march, march. Whose dog is that anyway? Crisscross, sitting down. Good job. This time, let's walk on our tippy toes. Everybody up, stretching right up to the sky. Walking on your tippy toes. Crisscross, sitting down. Oh, good job, guys. Let's walk on our tiptoes again. Everybody up. Stretching right up to the sky. Walking on your tippy toes. Crisscross. Oh, almost, Josh. Everybody up. Let's go again. Up on your tiptoes, stretching right up to the sky. How tall can you go? Did someone lose a jellyfish? Crisscross, sitting down. This time, let's all jump like kangaroos. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Crisscross. Phew. One more time. Jumping everybody like kangaroos. Crisscross. Turning around. Let's use our arms and legs to turn on the spot. Ready? Go. Great. And again, go. Good job. Other leg. And go. And go. Other side. Swing your arms and go. Whew, that was good. And go. Other side. And go. Good. Use your legs. And go. Let's go faster. And pyong. Great. Go. Other side. Go. And pyong like the wind. Other side. Go. And go. Oh my gosh. Other side. Go. And go.
Hi guys, let's do some ballroom dancing.
Quick step. Come on everyone, let's quick step with Josh. Hands on your hips and ready to go. Side jump and back, other side and back. Jump side and back, other side and back. Jump out and in, out and in. Hop on one leg and change, other leg and change. Skip 1, 2, 3, back, 5, 6, 7 and march. 2, 3, 4, bounce, 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 bounce. Jump and back, other side and back. Jump side and back, other side and back. Jumping out and in, jump out and in. Hop on one leg and the other, one leg and the other. Skipping 1, 2, 3, 4, back 2, 3, 4 and march, 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 march and bounce, bounce, bounce. Side jump and back, other side and back. Jump side and back, other side and back. Jump out and in, out and in. Hop on one leg and change, other leg and change. Skip 1, 2, 3, back 5, 6, 7 and march. 2, 3, 4, bounce, 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 bounce.
Let's do some fun Latin dances together.
Samba shakers ready to go. Bouncing your knees and let's follow Declan. Up, up, up. And down to the ground. Up, up, up. And down, down, down. Turning, shaking all around. Hands on your knees and bouncing, please. Ready? Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Up, up, up. And down, down, down. Turning, shaking all around. Now hands on your knees and bouncing, please. Ready? Up, up, up. And down to the ground. Up, up, up. And down, down, down. Turning, shaking all around. Hands on your knees and bouncing, please. Let's go super speed. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Turning, shaking all around. Hands on your knees and bouncing, please.
Hope you had fun, guys. We will see you later. And don't stop moving!